This is such a beautiful mess. Good morning. I am about to go to the library for the first time. I'm gonna meet a student, a guy that I have never met before. I have to do a presentation with him in 2 weeks. So I hope we're gonna understand each other, and I think he might be French because of his phone number. But yeah, I'm really excited. I can meet people and go outside again, so yeah. Oh, look at how beautiful the sunlight is. Oh, this makes me so happy. It was so nice to finally get out into nature, and it was really breathtaking to see all of those mountains without any trees. Das krasseste
Dude, I can't call them goaded because that would be.
Ja.
Wir sind halt auch da. Nach links und da? Ja. Oh nee, das ist die falsche Richtung. Wir wollen da lang, wir wollen da lang. Ja, ich glaube, unser Frachtboot ist ja noch mal was länger. Here another clip of me being sad. Oh, I thought this week would be nice because I can go outside, but this Monday was just such a typical Monday. I was really not in the mood to get up because next week I have a presentation with another student, and yeah, I think I just realized how different the exams are here, or like the assignments, because I think, yeah, I just realized how much I like the assignments from my own university. There we always can like be creative, think of cool ideas, and then present those in context with like research and stuff. And here, yeah, my topic will be the economic decisions in the music industry, and it's so hard to just research that on Google Scholar. I really hate Google Scholar. They have not a lot to, yeah, not a lot of sources which are helpful. And then today I had my first in-person lecture. I was quite excited for that, but yeah, now I'm in a group and I'm not really sure if it's gonna be great. It was really like in those movies when you're coming to a new class and you're the first day there, and I just opened the door, everyone stared at me, and I was like, yeah, I know, I'm exchange student. And I actually wanted to sit down next to a guy. I was like, can I sit there? And he just ignored me, so I just sat behind alone. Yeah, that wasn't even too bad, but like, I don't know, I felt like this whole class already knows each other so well. And then they already did presentations, and I only missed like one class, but it felt like I missed half of the course. And yeah, and I thought maybe I'll get in a group where we do like a really cool group work together, because I think the assignment is quite nice because we have to be creative and think of a vegan brand. But now I'm in a group where they already have made a decision on what to do, and I'm not sure yet if this is gonna work out. And I think they just wanna, I just asked them like, do you wanna meet this week or so? And they said, yeah, maybe we can just divide the work, so it will not be interactive. And yeah, maybe I should just not judge too much from the first meeting, but it was a bit disappointing for me. And yeah, I don't know, this was just really overwhelming. So I hope your school or university is going well. I think it's so hard to make friends in your student life. I think that's something you don't know when you're excited about, yeah, going to university. I never heard it from someone else, so, but I think it's such an important thing to know, that you have to put in so much more effort, especially as an Erasmus student. Like I think two of my group mates are Scottish, and I can barely understand them, so I have to really closely listen. And yeah, this is the update from today. But yesterday, oh my god, yesterday was so nice. I guess you saw like some clips, and so yeah, this week can only get better.
Beautiful is difficult like Syria. Never I have a good accent.
Alright, it's like 7 p.m.-ish, and I'm going to the library because I have to do some stuff. Today it's the first time I'm trying this oat yogurt, so I'm really curious now.
are you prepared to pay for the music? If culturally the music, the value of music has diminished, is the money that Spotify should, whether we charge more money or not to the individual?
Hello. I was just thinking how I want to end this video. I thought, what can I like share? I don't know, just something valuable. And then I realized how I didn't really had many like deep thoughts, or I don't know, thoughts where I thought, wow, this enlightened me or something. But then I remember that I read a book, I'll put the name here, where it said, it was like just talking about how a man had a friend who he would like take a walk sometimes together. Oh, this was not an English sentence. They would like take a walk together, and sometimes the friend would like stop while talking, and he thought how weird and weird it was to just stop in the middle of a walk, because he was just not used to it. And yeah, I think I just remembered it so well because I then realized how I think my dad also sometimes does that, and then I also try to implement it in some walks that I did, and it feels actually quite weird to just stand still for a moment, not like when you're standing in front of a lake where you're supposed to just take in the view or so, but just on a normal pass. And yeah, maybe I can give that to you, that I think it's always so cool if you're going somewhere or taking a walk or just doing something, that you just pause for a second and take the scenery in. Also just take a deep breath, because then I think then you're living out that task more intentionally. And if you think back of the last week, you will remember how you stood still and took in that moment, and I think that is quite nice. And yeah, maybe you can try that out. I will definitely do that again. And thank you so much for being here, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!